See now reducible equations. Solve the pair of equations 3 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 2 and 9 by x plus y minus 4 by x minus y equal to 1. See here, first you 3 into write it. Take 3 as a common. 3 into here 3 there we taken common. So any number not there means there should be 1. 1 by x plus y as it is written. Plus here also you take 2 as a common. 2 common take means here 1. Any number not there means there should be 1 by x minus y equal to 2. Next here you take the 9 as a common. 9 into 1 by x plus y minus here 4 you take. 4 into 1 by x minus y equal to 1. Here you observe here 1 by x plus y, here 1 by x plus y. Here 1 by x minus y, here 1 by x minus y. So you take a replace of this, let 1 by x plus y equal to p you take, and here 1 by x minus y equal to q you take. So substitute p and q. Now 3 into replace of this one I am writing here p, 3p plus 2 into replace of this one I am substituting q equal to 2. You take this one as a equation number 1. Next second one you see 9p minus 4 replace of this one I am substituting here q equal to 1. This one take equation number 2. Now see coefficients. See here 3 there, here 9 there, here 2 there, here 4 there. So here if you find p and q values, we have to do the equal to any p coefficients or q coefficients are equal. But here see I am doing here, I want to cancel q coefficient. So here what we have to do, here already minus 4q there. Suppose if you multiply first equation with 2 2's are 4 will get na, so this both will cancel. So I am multiplying 2 into equation number 1. If we want to multiply with 3 also we can multiply with 3 means we can cancellation will get this one. So your wish. So here 2 is a small number na, so only I am multiplying with 2. Why means we will get simplification, we will get the easy. Okay. So see multiply 2 3's are 6p. Next 2 2's are 4q. 2 2's are 4. Here this 2 is then multiplied. Next this one as it is you write it. 9p minus 4q equal to 1. Now see here plus 4q, here minus 4q. This both you cancel it. Now here which one is there? 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 equal to how much here? 6 plus 9 15. P there na 15p equal. Here 4 plus 1 5. Now here multiplication there you transport that side. This multiplication become division. 5 by 15. So 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. Now you got p equal to 1 by 3. This p equal to 1 by 3. Substitute any one equation. Substitute p in 1. Your wish. Any one equation you will get the same answer. So 3 replace of p I am writing here 1 by 3 plus 2 into q equal to 2. Now 3 1 ja will cancel. Now here which one is there here? 1 plus 2q equal to 2. Now plus 1 is there now, you transport that side, it become 2q equal to 2 plus 1 become minus 1. So you write here 2q equal to 2 minus 1 1. Q equal to, here transport that side 2, it become multiplication is there, it become a division. Q equal to 1 by 2. So you got here P equal to 1 by 3 and Q equal to 1 by 2. This one you substitute here, P, replace of P, you write the, here see here 1 by x plus y, write it. P equal to here, which one is there here, 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Next, see here numerators are equal, denominators also equal na? So we can write here x plus y equal to 3. Okay, you take this one equation number here 1 2 taken, you take equation number 3 you take. Next, here q equal to how much you got here, write it here 1 by x minus y equal to, q equal to how much you got here, 1 by 2 you got to substitute 1 by 2. Here also numerators are equal, denominators also equal. So we can write now here, so x minus y equal to 2. This one you take equation number 4 you take. Okay, now from 3 and 4, right here x plus y equal to 3. Next x minus y equal to 2. See, plus y minus y will cancel na. Now here x plus x 2x, here 3 plus 2 equal to how much, 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now x equal to 5 by 2. Next, this x equal to 5 by 2, you substitute any one equation, either 3 or 4. So substitute x equal to 5 by 2 in 3. Here x, replace of x we are writing 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus y equal to 3. Now this one transport that side, y equal to 3, 5 by 2 plus become minus 5 by 2. Now here see, this both LCM equal to 2 only will get. Y means any denominator not there, that should be 1. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Now 6 minus 5 equal to 1 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x equal to 5 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 2 are solutions of given equations. Okay. Thank you one and all.